Hello, people. This is, you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. This is a series of video tutorials for people who want to get a better score in the TOEFL test. Right now, we are working with articles. So, let's get to it. Yeah. All right, so scale 53, distinguish A and N. All right. We saw in the previous video, scale 52, that we have definite, indefinite articles, A and N, and specific articles. So we're gonna focus on A and N. The basic difference between A and N is that A is used in front of consonants and N is used in front of vowels. Right? So a book, an orange, a man, an illness, a page, an automobile. In reality, the rule is that A is used in front of words that begins with the consonant sound, and that N is used in front of the words that begins with the vowel sound. Okay, if we pronounce these examples, a university, an unhappy man, a hand, an hour, a one-way street, a nomen, a euphemisms, an event, a Xerox machine, an X-ray machine. These examples show that certain beginning letters can have either a consonant or a vowel sound. A word that begins with U can begin with the consonant Y sound, as in university, or with the vowel sound, as in unhappy. A word that begins with H can begin with a consonant H sound, as in hand, or with a vowel sound, as in ow. A word that begins with O can begin with a consonant W sound, as in one, or with the vowel sound, as in omen. A word that begins with E can begin with either a consonant Y sound, as in euphemism, or with a vowel sound, as in event. A word that begins with S can begin with either a consonant Z sound, as in Xerox, or with a vowel sound, as in X-ray. So the following chart outlines the key information about the use of A and N. A is used in front of singular noun with a consonant sound, and N is used in front of a singular noun with a vowel sound. Be careful with words beginning with letters such as U, O, E, S, H. They may begin with either a vowel or a consonant sound. So be careful. All right, let's move on to the exercise. Exercise 53. Each of the following sentences contains A and N. We're going to circle each A and N, underline the beginning of the word. The directive follows, pronounce the word that indicate if the sentence are correct. Right. Let's look at the example. The dishwasher quit his job because he was making only $4 an hour. Probably got a hour. This is wrong because it should be an hour. Right, because the H is silent. It was an unexpected disappointment to receive a rejection letter from the university. All right, so unexpected, vowel sound, rejection, consonant sound, and no problem. Okay, so now you're gonna pause the video, complete the exercise. When you finish, you come back, and you're gonna check what you did. So I'll pause the video now. Okay, now that you're back, let's see. Signature is required where you see next on the form. Right, so signature is okay, but it should be an S. He bought half-gallon milk and bought of 100 envelopes. So this is fine. A half-gallon, a bought, 100. So both H's have sound consonant. Objection was raised because it was such a unacceptable idea. So an objection, that's fine, but here it should be an unacceptable idea. So now it starts with a vowel sound. Oh, sorry. L3. Okay, so there are two trees in the yard. An elm tree, this is fine, but this is a eucalyptus tree, so it should be, oh, this is fine. Okay. The police officer was not wearing an uniform. Uniform that starts with a consonant sound, so it should be a uniform, not an uniform. You don't give me a hand, it would be an impossibility. So yeah, this is fine. A hand, the H has a consonant sound. Impossibility, is a vowel sound. Joseph, when a honest mistake was made, this is incorrect. It should be an honest mistake because the H is silent. She opened a account at a local department store during a one-day sale. Okay, so local is fine, but it should be an account. All right. So I'll take a look at what you did. Go to the answers. Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comments below. I'll get back to you. So if you think this content was useful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to the channel so it gets bigger and stronger. And if you know anybody that can benefit from this type of tutorials, please let them know. This is free and available. It's available for anyone. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.